Friends, my friends, you see my village view. These are evening herons. You see the beauties of my village. Oh, you can see the Indian black pigs in the village side, the countryside. You can see they're grazing in very happy mood. The shining black pigs. You see the shining black pigs are here in the creek area. My village sheep friends, you see they are grazing in my village forest. You see the beauties of my village in the noon time. You see my Indian village. Yes, village, sweet village. There is no place like village. You see the beautiful sceneries of my village. Indian monkey on my guava tree branches is searching guava fruit. Indian black-faced monkey is taking the in my village, in my kitchen garden, the beautiful Indian monkey. You see how bigger in size. Another one is looking towards me. It's very beautiful.